Oh.
I hope it comes, like it swoops down and like pecks our head.
Look how big it's. Whoa, did you see that? Did you see the bird? She went like this.
So that's my attempt of a heart. And Kesley's like so nice. She's like, oh, it looks great.
It really does look great though. Did you not have coffee yet?
I did have coffee.
Oh.
I always get so messy when I'm making pancakes. Every time. I like naturally just go like this. I need to get an apron. So today we're doing a lot of cleaning because this house needs it, so that's the goal today. I'm having the kids clean their floors and their walls. Look at this wall right here, you guys. That is disgusting. I don't know how they got all of these snacks down here. So they're in trouble. And we're gonna do our carpet, the kids' carpet, the carpet in the living room, and the carpet in the office and dining room. It's a lot, but we're gonna get it done. So Tim went to go drop the carpet soaper off to his dad because he's going to use it and then return it. So this is what our living room carpet looks like, and the couches. I think he did a pretty good job. I know you guys probably can't tell a difference, but I most certainly can. And he did the dining room carpet, which is a huge difference as well. It was a lot browner. And he did the carpet in my office. And then I shall show you the bedrooms. You can see a huge difference in our room. We had some really big stains in our bedroom. So eventually we're gonna tear all of this carpet out because I hate carpet. I like wood floors and then some rugs, area rugs or whatever, just because it's easier to clean. With pets and kids and stuff, it's really hard to keep carpets clean, but for now this is what we have to live with. There's a kid in there somewhere. The kids decided, well, Brayden had an idea where he wanted to switch his bed. I'll show you his bed in a minute, but he wanted to switch the beds to where like they're both facing this way instead of one coming out this way. So I told them they can keep them like this for a little while. We'll see how they work. I think the girls' room has more space. I really do, but we'll see.
Yeah, because my bed used to be like this way, and now like we just have more space naturally because before. Ow! Ow!
She just took a shower, so her towel's on her head.
The bed was facing right here, but now that it's right here, there's gonna be more space right here.
Yeah.
Get it?
Yeah, more space to do whatever.
That needs more space.
And then the boys' room looks like this. Brayden requested it, so now he's got it. That's loud. Definitely a boys' room, but that's for sure. I was gonna go check on the baby birds, but as you can see, Mommy Bird is like, yeah, no, that's not gonna happen right now. So I'm sure they're fine, because Mommy Bird's got it covered. I'm just gonna go back in here with my baby birds. Okay. We're safe.
What? Oh.
She's like, I don't think so.
Really don't.
Listen up, bird!
I hope it comes, like it swoops down and like pecks our head.
Look how big it's. Whoa, did you see that? Did you see the bird? She went like this.
All right, so lesson learned, don't mess with the mamas.
Yeah, I know, it's so funny.
She's like, what's up? What's up? I'm bigger than you.
That was hilarious.
I was like,
So Tim went to go drop that off real quick. He'll be back. I have to start getting ready because we are going to dinner tonight at Makoto's. It's our favorite. Kids eat free on Sundays. So yeah, gotta get ready. All right, we are here for dinner. Finally. I hope everybody's hungry.
I really am hungry, Mom.
Oh,
Hungry.
good.
I can't wait to eat
Can I eat
all
you?
the rice.
I'm gonna eat you.
Ew.
I'm gonna eat you. I need to eat you if I'm hungry. This is my thing. My phone.
It's like he's going to spend the night at Makoto's. Oh my.
We're gonna use that filter.
I have never seen it so empty in the waiting room before.
Oh, I didn't know. Wow.
Obviously they're limiting on how many people can be in here, so we're the only ones in the waiting room right now.
I'm surprised we're even waiting.
I know. Roman, you can look. Why? Go ahead and look.
Roman, look. Roman,
It's
look.
cool.
Ew. It's not that big.
Oh yeah.
You can do it. You can do it.
Not yet. It takes
Hold on. It's still going. Ready? Now go. There you go. Big one.
Mommy.
Fire!
That was so cool and you missed it.
You like the volcano, but you don't like this? What?
This is my favorite part. See, look, right?
Oh my gosh. Was that good?
Yeah.
Yeah. Was it good, Belle?
I want to go to Walmart.
Yeah.
Yeah. I want to go to Walmart, even though I'm about to go get a lot of stuff for my birthday.
Alright guys, I'm editing this vlog, so if you liked it, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe down below, and we'll see you guys later.
Bye.